Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your account was permanently banned. So guys, when you have opened your TikTok account and facing the issue that your account was permanently banned due to multiple violations of our community guidelines. So guys, easily you can recover this account and get back this account without any interruption. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to go back on your home screen, and guys after this you have to open any internet browser on your device. So guys, after opening your internet browser you have to search here TikTok support. So guys, when you have searched this you need to scroll it down, and guys here is the option of report a problem. You have to click on this tab. So guys, when you have clicked on this you will see this type of interface. From here you have to select your reason. So guys, my reason is my account is banned or suspension. You have to select this one, and guys you have to scroll it below. So guys, as you can see here, simply if not having any option you have to click on here is the option that is report a bug or feature not request, and here you need to select the report a bug. And guys here you need to write your email address. So guys, for example my email is this, and guys you have to wait for writing your email, and guys below you need to write here username. So guys, here is the error in my email, and guys here you need to set your username of your TikTok account, and guys here you need to write your reason. So guys, simply you have to paste this one. So guys, you can get this appeal in this video description, so go ahead and copy this appeal and paste here. So guys, in this appeal simply you have to change only your TikTok username, as you can see here. And guys after this you have to scroll it down. Here you need to upload a screenshot. Simply you have to click on upload, and guys you need to upload your screenshot. And guys you have to submit this appeal, check mark all of these and click on submit, and within few minutes they will review your appeal and they will get back your account. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.